Uh, Miss Ana Feliciano. Uh-huh. Sorry to interrupt. Yes. Yep, that's sad news. Rest in peace. Condolences to her family, Miss Ana Feliciano. Condolences to her family. And wow, shocking announcement. Okay, yun. So, condolences. Anyway, okay, so I think we're gonna go. Okay. So, I think mag-announce na tayo ng isang announcement naman. Myself. Um, okay, so ito. Aha. Okay, so this is the announcement. August 2014, this is actually history, full history of myself. August 2014, almost 11 years ago, a fan-made network called JR Media, a network that I started building and a fan-made career that I built. And at that same year, that's my passion in Minecraft building. As the times went on, my career in fan-made grew into JM TV, JM Minecraft Vlogs, JM Studios, JM Network, and JM Productions. And my career in FA&T gone happened. The Star Show happened, which is the show you're watching right now. SFR Revival happened, which my show Chat with Mel revived SFR completely, and I joined it, and so many people are there. Okay. CWM happened, and my career is stronger before. But in life, sometimes the things you love don't always stop your back, especially your family. So I'm here to announce my retirement from FanMade, and at next year will be the end of the Star Show with John Mel. Next year, it will be the end. Again, it will be the end of the Star Show with John Mel next year. I'm here to thank and each everyone who supported me throughout my career for almost 11 years. First of all, thank you to Geometric Tomato, a very good boss and professional boss in this fan made industry. And then also to Cairo, changed my career by inviting me into your cafe. And thanks to the co-host as well, Dream Car, Trumaine, and Hoshi. And also thank you to the TQ squad, Angelo Flores, sino pa si P. Apple, si Lucho, uh, si Quiz Mark, si Alex, sometimes nandyan, sometimes wala. Kasi nandyan sa La Noche del Martes, pero still nandyan sa. Tapos si John Alojado at si Just an Original User. So, thank you. Thank you also sa kay Celax, Rivalve, and sa EO Therapy for being my partners in TLC. Also, graphics and logos premiered there in those what Bang Bang times. Thank you to MSR to really limit my other side. Yeah. Yeah, that other side is my, you know what I mean. But thanks for being a brother. Thanks for being a brother to me, MSA. Thank you. And also thank you to, uh, thank you to, sino ba? Sino ba? Si, ano ba to? Si, DJ San, for, uh, best at being the one who can change my name into John Mall. John Mall talaga. Um, but seriously, thank you. You were the one who reminded me when I was applying as a DJ here. So, matapos, thank you TCP for being there and being an advisor to the people here. So, thank you. Sa iyong horniness. Matapos, thank you, GJG, for rocking out and being there to advise me when I was timed out. I was timed out once, 1 hour, 1 hour, just 1 hour, thank goodness. and I did not complain now. And I still want to see that match. Want to see that match. Pacquiao, bro. I want to see that match next year, baby. Um, Thank you. Oh man, I have this the man who changed my career. Here. Um, Thank you. Thank you. Jeez, jeez. Thank you, Mr. G's, for being an absolute leader to this community. And also, I can't forget the audiences, Leon, Toyo Wildcat, Asavi Zalea, Reggie Jr., Cotton Buds, thank you. Lahat dyan ng mga audiences. But, Kalamao, Kazegs, Ka-SFR Squad, Kakul, I'll still be a DJ here, okay? I'm not gonna left what I'm started. Never. DJ lang. Kasi wala na akong show sa DZX due to family. If only you guys knew, my family sucks. My family sucks. It's the worst and biggest decision of my life. So since still I'm still in their control, I'll follow them. But when I'm finished, I'm coming back to do the random things once more. The bang bang things. And I'm still going to do CWM actually. I'm still going to do Chat with Mel. It's going to be the first anniversary will be on August 5, 2026. 2026. So yeah. But the Star Show with John Mel will end. The Star Show will end on August 7th. It's this Friday. So yeah, where the random journey started. So thank you everyone, and have a great night. Yep, and also I almost forgot. Thank you, Steven. Always stay. My daddy Stephen. Always there for me, and big thanks because you saw my potential at being your apprentice is a big honor for me. Thank you. Um. So guys, next year I'm going to retire. Not really completely retire, but like pang may retire ko on some things. But yeah, the Star Show will retire on next year. So wish me luck that it will last to 1 year and a half. Before August 7. August 7, 2026, abangan ninyo. Last na yan. Last na talaga. Wala nang atrasan. Wala nang atrasan sa bengbangan. Okay? So, yan. So, a few minutes lang left before we end the show. Kasi 6:25, I'm going to end it to play the song na Let's Get It On pa makalisin ako. Okay, so, yep. Okay, so 6:18. Okay. Oh my god. Whoa. Bro. Wow. Oh my god. I just saw something. I'm not gonna mention it because privacy. 6:18 mga kaibigan. Yep. Short commercial break? Yeah, short commercial break yan. Mga ano ba? 2 minuto, 6:18. So 6:18 mga kaibigan. So short commercial break muna tayo. So we'll be right back in the Star Show with John Mel. Stick around.
Ako po si Adam Orelar po. Mga tubig iinumin, mag-absolute distilled pure water para malaki distilled water na madaming tubig. Adam Orelar po, mula sa Absolute Distilled Water, 200 piso lang. Also available for Absolute Bottled Water, bili na 25 pesos lang. Promo runs to June 1st, 2025 to May 31st, 2026. Per DTI Fair Trade Permit number FTEB 2519255 series of 2025.
Si Sarah po, ang hinampas nila ng sahig. Ito naman mag-Enerbon. Para hindi sakitin ang mga gagawanan natin, Sarah Guardian Post Office. Ang sakitin, mag-Enerbon user.
Alagang Unilap yan.
Promo duration of May 4th, 2025 to May 4th, 2027. Per DOHUHSRR permit number 161 series of 2025. Multivitamins has been generic name of Enerbon. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Guymese Bake Shop, the most #1 trusted bakery shop in the Philippines, now available on the department malls, stores, and markets nationwide.
Gummies, maple syrup, made from the sap of maple trees. Booty pancakes, waffles, French toast, oatmeal, porridge, and bread. So delicious, sweet. Try gummies, maple syrup. Now available at Joy A Supermarket, Melody Bar, Shine for the Store, and supermarkets nationwide.
Bakit umabsent ka na naman sa mga bata? Mawala ang anemia, walang dugo. Sa tulong ng Incremin Iron Plus, pagtulong sa deficiency anemia ng dugo, bawal umabsent sa mga bata. Incremin Iron Plus, batang malusog ng dugo. Vitamins B complex plus lysine plus iron has been generic name of Incremin. No adverse drug reactions.
Si Freya ito ang dumi ng buhok, Maglid Joyce Shampoo para tanggalin ng dumi ng buhok with regular use versus non-conditioning shampoo. Maglid Joyce Shampoo, mabango na buhok, Lid Joyce Shampoo, sachet na! Lid Joyce Shampoo, sachet mabango na sa buhok. Creative visualization only.
May bago sa Lido Junior. Para sa 1 to 3 years old, mag-Lido Junior. Para sa 1 to 3 years old, the use of milk supplement must only be upon the advice of a health professional. Ang panggamit at gatas na ito ng produkto ng professional, EO51CA number 099 series of 2025. Sobrang ang init ng aircon. Stop holding me of sleep. Kaya mag-TGF aircon na with healthy and filter from Clean of Aircon. Sarap ang aircon. TGF aircon on healthy and filter. TGF aircon on healthy and filter. Available of TGF appliances stores nationwide.
TGF Malunggay Capsule, para iinuman ko ng TGF Malunggay Capsule ko tapos inumin nyo ng capsule at water. Bumili ng drugstores nationwide, TGF Malunggay Capsule na, available na sa PBC drugstores, and the Kyle Montana Generics, mabibili sa mga botika. Mahalagang paalala, ang TGF Malunggay Capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa mga uri ng sakit.
Shit! Anytime, anywhere. I'm here. DZEX.
So, yes, we're back. We're back at the Star Show with John Mel. Oras po natin is 6:22 p.m. So, mamaya po sa Tambayang Quadro Plus 2. Magkakuluhan, mayroong bangbangan, mayroong stuff. Lahat yan, mamaya after this show. After ng music automation ng konti. May nag-request ako ng konti ng song. Ano ba to? Okay, so okay, so ito. Okay. Okay. Yay. Okay, so magta-thank you na ako. Thank you na ako. As always, thank you sa kay Terby na nag-TOC Vito and also kay Piapol Tumito, nag-help dito sa DZX as well, at sa The Star Show, and very hardworking people, and nagbebeng-bangan kada gabi. And as always, thank you rin sa mga audiences natin, kahit wala yung mga iba dito. And I think nandyan sa, so nandito si Alzari, Zalaya, and Cotton Buds. Thank you for watching this show. Thank you for listening to the show, actually. Thank you. And yep, that's probably it. So yep, abangan nyo yung mamaya yung Tambayang Quadro Plus 2. So I think that's it. So this is the Star Show with John Mel. Wala nang episode. So ito nang countdown to the last one. So 370 plus to go. So it's the Star Show with John Mel. This is John Mel. I'm out. Susunod na po ang Tambayang 4+2. I-play na po ang Let's Get It On by Looney, yung 2018 na TV5 na station ID. So, yep. Bye-bye.